Well, hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Ro, and as you can tell, probably by the look and the tiredness and just, I'm in the middle of a new adventure. I'm starting y'all off mid-trip, which is a little different than what I usually do, but today was a very uneventful day, so there was really nothing to share with you guys. But I am in Memphis, Tennessee. I traveled 800 miles today in 13 hours, left at 6 o'clock this morning, got here at like 7:30. So I am on my way to Tulsa, Oklahoma for the Black Wall Street rally. And I think I have about 5 or 6 more hours from here. I'm not really sure. I got to still map it out. But you guys will be along with me for the ride, or at least the rest of it. So here we go. So me and baby made it to Arkansas, as you can see. So I don't know how much more time I have, but it's hot, so I'm about to get back in this wind, and I'll catch y'all on the next state line probably.
That's what we like. I respect. Not a threat. When I shoot my shot, then she ready like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm Book, wet like I'm Lizzie. I be spinning dollars, circle.
So apparently gas stations are 100 miles apart in Arkansas. Exaggeration, but slightly not. So I'm taking more frequent breaks because it's really hot outside. It's like high 80s. So usually I stop like every 130 to 150 miles, but for this trip I'm stopping like every 100 for gas reasons, and also just because I want to make sure I stay hydrated. So speaking of which, I'm about to go get me a Gatorade, drink some water, sit here for a few minutes, and then get right back to it. So good morning. Made it to Tulsa, you guys. Yesterday, baby, that heat wore me down, but I stayed hydrated the entire time. I stopped when I needed to, but you know, it's like that last 30 minutes, it just hits you. It's like, you know, you about to get there, so your body is just like in rest mode. But anywho, it's raining, as you just saw, and I'm using this opportunity in the room to fix my helmet because apparently I was riding too hard yesterday and this thing just popped off. So I don't have a visor. Well, I have the visor. I just gotta figure out how to put it back on there. So I'm about to play around with this. So I'm gonna work on this, and then I'm gonna go check in for the event at the host hotel, and we will see what happens next. Got it, y'all. We back in business. Let's go ride in this rain. I made it to the Wall Street rally in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So you already know I gotta look at these bikes.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not.
So y'all, one of my friends is here, running
Hey,
the friends
Ro.
everywhere.
I follow this woman on her page. She gives a lot of great advice, and I enjoy your adventures.
Appreciate
Can't wait
you.
to see the next one.
Thank you.
You weren't special till I made